Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Savage Katz. Welcome to the MyActiveLife Afterschool Enrichment Winter Review. We've had such a fun season filled with amazing events, learning, and smiles. Let's take a quick look at all the great things we've been up to. We kicked off the winter at the farm where families made beautiful holiday wreaths. At KaleidoscopeME, we love celebrating the season with arts, music, and movement. One of our highlights was attending the RPO Holiday Pops concert at Eastman Theater. We enjoyed classics like Silent Night, Jingle Bells, and a beautiful Hanukkah suite. Since the holidays can be tough for some, we spread kindness by decorating cards featuring our character Grace, who teaches us self-compassion and care for others. These Hugs to Me cards were shared at Unity Hospital, spreading love one card at a time. In class, the learning continued with ACE, where we discovered mindful eating and the importance of a rainbow plate. The students were excited to use math as we measured ingredients for our rainbow salad recipe. Grace's class danced to positive affirmations, lifting their spirits with each move, while learning to turn can't into can makes all the difference when learning to read, playing sports, and more. We also made some adorable affirmation ornaments. As a special gift, each child received a plush polar bear named Louie, their very own breathing buddy. With Louie, they learned how to relax and stay calm through mindful breathing and meditation. Their breathing buddies and their rainbow placemats went home over the break so they could continue practicing what they learned at school. It's been an incredible winter, full of fun, learning, and spreading kindness. A big thank you to the Rochester Academy Charter, Inova Girls Academy, all the families who support us, and a very special thanks to the Max and Marian Barish Charitable Foundation. We are KaleidoscopeME, where true greatness comes from recognizing the greatness in everyone.